Hello, Assalamu alaikum, all viewer and dear student. Once again, Maqbool Islam is in front of you. Today we have a new radical equation for you. Very interesting question. So let's come. We start 5 minus x under the root is equal to 5 minus x square. How we calculate the x is unknown. Very tricky question. So, and this type of radical equation, so if we taking don't square is required. So, if we take square, so the question is very difficult. So, we cannot use, for example, if we take square on both sides, 5 minus x square, we get in the form of x power 4, 5 minus x4. We can use here a minus b whole square formula. So, we can use here and this one is minus 5 minus x 25 plus x power 4 and minus 10 x square. So look here, we have get the equation form is x power 4, so it's very difficult. We cannot use, and here we can use, but it's very difficult. We are using necessary condition for the equation to be valid here. So that one is 5 minus x. 5 minus x in the function is used. 5 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. According to this definition of f of x must be greater than or equal to 0. So here we can change this result. 5 is greater than or equal to x. We can write x less than or equal to 5. Similarly, for the right side, we are taking 5 minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. We transfer this result. 5 is greater than or equal to x square. Now we can write this result 5 and taking square root on both sides plus minus and 5 under the root. This is cancel. X is less than or equal to plus minus 5 under the root. Now this we can 5 square root less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 time is positive. So one is negative and the other is positive. It means that the x value is lies in this range. So if we further this square root, we can calculate this result. So we can get 2.33. This is the range of the x. Now we calculate the value of x. How we calculate? We are using the supposition. So we are taking supposition method. Let's suppose that y is equal to 5 minus x square root. We gave here, this is first equation a and this is first equation. Now taking square of equation number first, so 5 minus x square root whole square, this is cancelled to each other. We get here y square is equal to 5 minus x. We give second equation. Now we put equation number first and equation number a. So we will get here in the place of 5 minus x square root, we put the value of y is equal to 5 minus x square. We give third equation. Now comparing equation number second and third, we can get equation number second. If we are applying here, we get this result x plus y square is equal to 5. And equation number third, we can simplify this result. So we can write x square plus y is equal to 5. We transfer this result. So we will get here x square plus y is equal to 5. Now subtracting to each other, we get this will be 0. This is cancel 0. And we get here x minus x square plus y square minus y. Now we can further simplify this result. We can arrange x minus y plus minus x square plus y square is equal to 0. Now x minus y minus, we can write this from x minus y. If we taking common minus, so minus into minus plus, we get the same term x minus y and to x a square minus b square formula, we know that x minus y into x plus y is equal to 0. Now taking common this term x minus y x minus y is common. So here the result is 1 minus x plus y is remaining is equal to 0. It means that here x minus y is equal to 0. Either 1 minus x plus y is equal to 0. So we transfer this result x is equal to y. We have the first case, and similarly we change this result x plus y is equal to, and here is equal to 1. The second case we can get here x plus y is now first case number 1, x is equal to y. So we are applying on the first equation y is equal to 5 minus x square root. In the place of x we put here x is equal to 5 minus x square root, taking square on both sides. So 5 minus x whole square, both are cancelled, we get here x square is equal to 5 minus x. Now we arrange the term x square plus x minus 5 is equal to 0. We have the form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We are applying the quadratic form. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 5. We have the formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. Now plug the values of a, b, c. In this formula we get here minus 1 plus minus b square is 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 5. So this will be equal to into 1. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus, this will be 1 plus 20 divided by 2. So result is minus 1 plus minus 21 square root divided by 2. We get two result. X is equal to minus 1 plus 21 under the root divided by 2. If we simplify, we find 1.79. We have already done, so it lies in the range, it satisfies. And the second is equal to minus 1 minus 21 under the root divided by 2. So this result is 2.79. It does not lies in the given range we have already done, so it is rejected. This case is rejected. Similarly, if we find the second case is x plus y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 minus x. Now we are simply apply on the first equation. Recall first equations is already we have done y is equal to y minus x square root. So in the place of y we put this result 1 minus x is equal to 5 minus x square root. Taking whole square, we are taking whole square, and 1 square plus b square minus 2ab. We have already the formula, this is cancel 5 minus x. Now we arrange square minus 2x minus 5 and plus x is equal to 0. We arrange this result x square and x and minus 2x plus x, we get here minus x. 1 minus 5 we get minus 4 is equal to 0. Again we are comparing with the quadratic equation. So we get here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 4. Equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. Now we substitute the result of minus b is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4ac. A is 1 and c is equal to minus 4 square root divided by 2a in 1, and x is equal to minus into minus plus 1 and here is 1 plus 16 divided by 2. X is equal to 1 plus minus 17 under the root divided by 2. Now it means plus 17 under the root divided by 2 if we calculate 5 of 6. Similarly, x is equal to 1 minus 17 under the root divided by 2. If we calculate this result minus 2.56. So it means that here this result cannot apply on the equation. So we give the result is 1 is this is satisfied and this is does not lies in the range given range. So we have the result of two result x is equal to minus 1 plus 21 under the root divided by 2 and the other is minus 1 and minus 17 under the root divided by 2. These two result is the solution of the given question because the values of These two result lies in the given range. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate you for the comments. Thanks again for watching.